Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss about an important topic. The topic is, will AI replace testing itself? So let me take you to little backup story. Initially, when waterfall method is there were a huge number of testing. There is a group of manual testing people. There's a group of automation testing people. There is a group of security testing. There is a group of performance testing, load testing. So there are groups of people, but slowly what happens is that a state from testing to it become an estate, software developer engineering and test, where he or she should be able to do manual testing, automation testing. For example, in my company, I do manual testing, automation testing. I write codes. I do CI/CD. I do everything basically. Now the question about that AI replacing the testing, we will discuss little detail. Now AI, if you see the trend AI, ChatGPT is there, Googlebot is there, and there are tools where manual test case it can be written by itself, and there are tools automation code it will can be written by itself. So AI is everywhere and it's showing. But when coming to it, can it replace completely testing? No, I said no. And will it request testing job? Absolutely no. Let's discuss my take on it. So when we were in a testing SD team, we don't do only just give me a test cases. I will test it. I do black box testing, and that's it. No, we collaborate with developers. We collaborate with business people. We could with the project manager. So there is a lots of collaboration, lots of discussion, lots of to and fro discussion, and in domain knowledge on involved in it. So if you ask me, replacing a developer with AI tools might be little easier than replacing a SDA, replacing a testing people with good domain knowledge, with good technological knowledge. So AI will replace our jobs. It's not true. And the second point is, assume you have developed one product. It's a simple product, but you have developed more complex product. So the amount of testing you require to do for a smaller product, it's more than the amount, sorry, it's lesser than the amount of testing you need to do for a complex product. So the more AI is coming up, the complexity of testing is going to grow exponentially. And if you see chat gpt, there are issues, there are nothing in who, as human is not perfect, even the AI itself will not be perfect. There are issues, there are security problems, there are code issues, there are communication problems, that how AI is communicating, how we are observing. So there is the requirement of testing is going to grow exponentially. So we don't have to worry that okay, when the AI will take over all this testing, AI will do development itself, AI will do testing itself, AI will do everything. But there is a catch. If we have seen that manual testing has been replaced by automation testing, but actually the amount of testing, manual testing we are doing currently also more. If you give me a UI application, I have to do manual testing before automating, right? I can use automation for my regression, but without knowledge, without thorough understanding, without manual testing, without writing a test cases, we can't test an application. So now, now to beat AI revolutionary, it's not like a beat to sustaining AI world as a testing person, what we have to do. So let me give some suggestion. If you are manual tester and you are in a domain, your banking domain, yes, you are going to have a great potential, because I think there are testing professionals going to come for example data science. I think banking data science specialist is going to like that. Banking SDET is going to come. So I think wherever AI is going to impact, that related testing jobs might come. So what we have to do is upskill, learn any programming languages. If you're starting, learn Python and try to do multiple frameworks. So if in case you are completely into manual testing, not automation, do it. There are huge number of videos are available on YouTube. Please study them. Do it. Do with your hands. Do with your bare hands. Do it. If you are stuck it, just go in ChatGPT, which I will cover in subsequent videos, how we can fix problem using ChatGPT. Go and search it in Googlebot and try to fix it. The more the amount of problems we are fixing, the more confidence we are going to get. So to conclude, AI is not going to take over software testing jobs. They're actually going to increase a lot of testing jobs. All we need to do is upskill us, grab the programming language, understand what is synthetic data, what are AI tools that can be used in automation, and also check if you're good at data, you're good at SQL, check data analysis, and acquire multiple skills. If you're just manual tester, replacing you is very easy. But if in case you have a knowledge on cloud, you have knowledge on DevOps, you have knowledge on automation, it is not easy to replace you, right? So upskill, nothing to worry. We are going to say revolutionary of more testing job. Thank you. Please comment below what is your thoughts on AI replacing software testing jobs. So see, please subscribe and like the video. Thank you. Bye bye.